Thank you viewers for stopping by. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's mathematics class, we shall be solving an exponential equation. We are given to solve x to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of x plus 9. So in this question, we are simply expected to find what the value of x will be. I want you to watch the video till the end. Meanwhile, if it is your first time of stopping by, kindly subscribe to my channel for exciting videos. We dive in. It is going to be a brief one. Watch till the end. Solving this by solution, I have the question x to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of x plus 9. That is the question that I am given. I want to start from the right hand side, and I want to apply the multiplication law of indices that says if I have a to the power of x plus y, that it is equal to a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y. Now, this law of indices, I will apply it by the right hand side, and that implies I shall now be writing x to the power of x equal to, by the right hand side I will have 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of x, multiplied by 3 to the power of 9, 3 to the power of 9. So I have applied this law of indices, the multiplication law of indices. Next, I want to divide both sides of this equation by 3 to the power of x. And that means I shall be writing now x to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 9, all divided by 3 to the power of x. Alright, looking at this, 3 to the power of x at the denominator, we cancel out with 3 to the power of x at the numerator. So I will be left with x to the power of x all over 3 to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of 9. Very good. Now, by law of indices, if I am given a to the power of x all over b to the power of x, it is equal to a all over b all to the power of one common power, okay, all to the power of x. It uses, since the power of the numerator is x and the power of the denominator is x, so we use one common power which is x for both of them. So I will apply it to the left hand side here to get x divided by 3 all to the power of x, then equal to 3 to the power of 9. That is where I am now. The next thing I want to do is I want to multiply the exponent, that is the power, of both sides by 1 all over 9. And that implies I shall now be writing x all over 3 all to the power of x, then multiply by 1 all over 3. Okay, I want to multiply both sides of the powers of the exponents by 1 over 3. So I have done that by the left hand side, and to the right hand side I will also write 3 to the power of 9 multiplied by 1 all over 3. Very good. The equation is balanced, doing it on both sides of the equation. And that implies that if this is done, what I will now have is x all over 3 all to the power of x all over 3. And that is x multiplied 1 over 3. And by the right hand side, 9 multiplied by 1 over 3 is equal to 3. Because 3 will cancel 9 to give me 3. So I will now have, by the right hand side, I will have left 3 to the power of 3. Very good. Now, at this point, I also want to bring in this law of indices that if I have a n to the power of n equal to m to the power of n. Whenever it is like this, it implies that the base is equal to, the base by the right is equal to the base by the left. In other words, the bases will be equal. So we can simply say that n is equal to n. And if you like, n as the power also is equal to the power. Therefore, looking at this, you can agree with me by the left hand side that the base is x all over 3. And the base by the right hand side is 3. Also, the power, that is the exponent by the left, is x all over 3. And the power by the right hand side is 3. So this is exactly what we have in this law. Therefore, I can now conclude that this base, which is x over 3, is equal to the base I have here, which is 3. And if you like, x all over 3, which is the exponent by the left hand side, is equal to the exponent by the right hand side. Therefore, we can now write that x all over 3 is equal to 3. So, and I can write now over 1 and then cross multiply to get the value of x as 1 times x is x, equal to 3 times 9. 3 times 3 equal to 9. 3 times 3, that is cross multiplication. Now, we have gotten the value of x, but we want to check our results to ensure that it is very correct. This is the value of x. We want to substitute into the equation that we are given to ensure that it is correct. Therefore, check result. From the equation that I am given, x to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of x plus 9. I can now replace the value of x as 9. That is going to be 9 to the power of 9 is equal to 3 to the power of 9 plus 9. Very good. But this 9 can be written in index form, or rather as a base 3. 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2. So I replace this 9 as 3 to the power of 2, or to the power of 9, equal to 9 plus 9 is 18. So I have 3 to the power of 18 by the right hand side. Moving forward, by law of indices, that is product law of indices, it says that if I have x to the power of n or to the power of n, that simply the exponents will multiply, and that is going to be x to the power of n. That is, you multiply n inside the bracket with the n outside the bracket. So doing that here, I will have 2 multiply 9 to give me 3 to the power of 18, equal to 3 to the power of 18. So looking at this, you can see that the both sides, the left hand side and the right hand side, are equal, authenticating our answer that the value of x in the given question is equal to 9. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Like my videos, and may God bless you.